Alright children, today we are going to do invitations here, which is the last thing of your writing skills, invitations, and with this I will complete all the writing skills for class 12th. Alright, so what are invitations? Invitations means to invite someone, as the name suggests, to invite someone. It can be formal invitation and informal invitation. Now I'm going to deal with the formal invitations first. In formal invitations also you have two types. Okay, one is going to be in the form of cards, the wedding cards, birthday cards that you get, and the other is going to be in the form of letters. So formal is also of two types, and they have their own characteristics. Now when we write cards, okay, it is a complete invitation. It answers who are you inviting, whom are you inviting, when is the event, where is the event, what is the event, what time is the event, and for what are you conducting that event. Alright, so you have to write the occasion, you have to write the names of the invitees, you have to write the hosts, dates, venue. Now why do we write cards? Sometimes we write cards, children, the name because there are multiple people to be invited. There are many people to be invited. So we create one card so that we don't have to write the name of the invitees again and again. No names of guests. Okay, again and again in the same card. We write in the where do we write the name of the guest? We write it on envelope, on cover, not on your cards, and that is why we write simply this kind of card so that things can be similar for everybody. All right, now in we write cards. When we are writing cards, children, the cards are written with names of the hosts, invitee, invitation phrase, all these phrases, date, day, venue, time, occasion, reason is written. Now you can write one thing which I want to tell you is, you may write each line in different font also. Okay, for example, you are going to write Mr. and Mrs. Singh. Alright, and in the next line, solicit the pleasure. So you can write Mr. and Mrs. Singh bigger, solicit the pleasure smaller. You can write that bold, you can write this one not bold. You can write anything that you want in a card. Just remember, everything is center aligned. You understand this language? Center aligned, that is in the middle of the line and in a box. This you have to remember while writing a card invitation for formal invitations. Now formal invitations, as I told you, they are meant for a lot of invitees. Okay, so you always write in third person. What is third person? Yourself, myself, no, I, me, you. These are first person and second person. No, I, me, you. These words are not written. We always write yourself or myself or your esteemed self and something of those on those lines. Okay, names of the invitees not included. Okay, as I told you, it is only written on the envelope. कार्ड के अंदर नहीं लिखते, सिर्फ उसके एनवेलप पे लिखते हैं. कार्ड सबके लिए सेम होता है. एंड सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. डेट इज नॉट रिटन. डेट ऑफ राइटिंग, इन इवेंट की डेट लिखते हैं. वी राइट इवेंट डेट. ओके, ये कार्ड किस दिन छपा, वी डोंट राइट दैट, वी जस्ट राइट कि इवेंट क्या है. And no signature of the host. Host signature is not there. RSVP जरूर लिखते हैं. RSVP means responde silver plight. That is, in English it means please reply. Okay, now what is the concept of RSVP, children? In foreign invitations and all, it's not like कि एक जने को कार्ड दिया, चार जने आ गए. या कार्ड लेके रख लिया और उसका खाना खराब हो रहा है. नो, दिस इज़ नॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट. फॉरेन में क्या होता है, अगर आपको कोई इन्विटेशन मिलता है तो आपको उसको रिस्पॉन्ड करना पड़ता है, रिप्लाई करना पड़ता है कि एम आई कमिंग और एम आई नॉट कमिंग. So they make food, they make arrangements according to the replies only, right? And that is why this concept RSVP, जो French word है, which means respondes silvat sprite, which means please reply, you coming or not. And please reply to whom? You can write the names of the people who are inviting, their address and their phone number. You can reach out on any of the places and you can write it in and tell me whether you are coming or not. So invitation in a box and do not exceed 50 words. This is very important. You have to adhere to 50 words. Now, अगर ये तो कार्ड का है, this is for card, okay? This is for card invitation. I'll tell you card invitation. Now, if it is a letter invitation, we come down, we write individual letters, we include the name of the invitee, that is जिसको हम लोग invite कर रहे हैं. कार्ड में हम लोग नाम नहीं लिखते हैं जिसको हम invite कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम उसका नाम envelope में लिखते हैं. Here we are going to write the name of the invitees and these are written on run-on lines. Run-on lines means हम लोग कहीं जगह नहीं छोड़ते. We do not leave any space while writing it, and other details are similar. Now these are formal invitations. This is formal invitation. We have informal invitations also. Informal invitations एक ही टाइप की होती है, only one type. No card invitations. No card in informal, only letters. फर्स्ट पर्सन में लिखते हैं, आई यू मी लिखते हैं इसमें. आई यू मी भी इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं क्योंकि थर्ड पर्सन फॉर्मल होता है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पर्सन इनफॉर्मल होता है. सो वी स्टार्ट विद डियर, वी कैन राइट योर सिंसियरली. इन्विटेशन कब लिखा है वो डेट लिखते हैं इसमें, ओके. इवेंट के साथ साथ इवेंट प्लस डेट ऑफ इन्विटेशन, बोथ आर रिटन हियर. Understand? And everything is left aligned, okay. Everything is all left aligned. हर चीज़ हम लोग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे स्टार्ट करके वहीं ओवर करते हैं. और टेंसेज आप ऐसा नहीं है कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट यूज़ करना है. यू कैन यूज़ एनी टेंस, यू कैन यूज़ एनी टेंस टू सूट द सेंस ऑफ द invitation, right? And then we have replies. As I told you earlier also, children, invitations in foreign scenarios, when they write, they expect कि जिसको invitation मिला है वो reply करेगा, right? So invitation can also be formal and informal. तो formal invitation का reply should be formal only, okay. Main characteristics are that you must acknowledge. पहले तो उसको acknowledge करो, thank you, that is thank you for inviting me. Acknowledgement is means what? Okay, thanks for inviting. And reply should tell you whether you are accepting कि मुझे आना है या नहीं आना है, and giving a small reason for that. आपको कोई चिट्ठी नहीं लिखनी है. You do not have to write a long letter. You just have to write a very small refusal or acceptance कि you are coming or not coming. Very brief, very specific. ठीक है. एंड डू राइट बेस्ट विशेज़ एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा इन केस यू आर डिक्लाइनिंग. अब अगर आप जा रहे हो तो वहाँ जाके तो थैंक यू, बेस्ट विशेज़, ऑल द बेस्ट करोगे. अगर आप नहीं जा रहे हैं तो रिमेंबर कि ये मैनर्स होते हैं, एटिकेट्स होते हैं कि आप उस इन्विटेशन में ही बेस्ट विशेज़ वगैरह करें. ठीक है ना. For replies, you have to use kind invitation. Thank you for your kind invitation. It was a great pleasure. Mr. and Mrs. Singh expressed great pleasure on receiving the invitation from Mr. and Mrs. Verma. मैंने आपको बताया they थर्ड पर्सन में ही यूज़ करना है, इसमें I we नहीं यूज़ करना. Okay. Now informal में it is like an ordinary letter. You can write first person and you can write second person also. Okay. These are the samples. I'll come back to it. First we will do the examples of formal invitations. Okay. Now formal invitations card में, okay, card का formal invitation can be wedding, wedding का invitation, it can be birthday party invitation in the card, it can be inaugurations of your new house, of your new shops and everything, it can be your housewarming. हाउसवार्मिंग, यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? हाउसवार्मिंग मीन्स नया घर जो खरीदा है उसके लिए जो आप पाठ पूजा करते हैं ना, दैट इज़ नोन एज, इन इंग्लिश इट इज़ नोन एज housewarming, right? So you can use housewarming, you can have weddings, you can have birthdays, you can have inaugurations, you can annual functions, that is the most importantly asked in exams. Annual functions, children, remember ये आना ही आना है this year. जो आपका पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है, या तो 4 मार्क्स का इन्विटेशन आएगा या रिप्लाई आएगा, आना ही आना है. यू रियली हैव टू do this very very closely because it is going to be tested for 4 marks. Okay, now let's come to formal invitations के example. This is formal invitation for say inauguration ceremony. ठीक है, किसी शॉप की इनॉग्रेशन है. अब आप देखो, इन्होंने लिखा है आई एम इनवाइटिंग, लिखा है इन्होंने यहाँ पर? नो, इट इज थर्ड पर्सन. दिस इज नोन एज थर्ड पर्सन इन्विटेशन. Third person invitation, that means Mr. Shamlal and Sons, they announced the opening. And see, मैंने आपको क्या बताया था, हर लाइन का फॉन्ट अलग होता है. आप हर लाइन का फॉन्ट अपने हिसाब से लिख सकते हो. ये सेट फॉर्मेट नहीं है बच्चे. यू कैन राइट एनी फॉर्मेट, यू कैन राइट एनी फॉन्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू, यू कैन राइट इट बोल्ड, यू कैन राइट इट बिगर, यू कैन राइट इट स्मॉलर. आप कैसे भी लिखो, हर लाइन अलग अलग लिखो. ऑन, एट, इसका भी कोई फॉर्मेट नहीं है कि अगर मैंने इसमें इनॉग्रेशन 5th लाइन में आया तो आपने भी 5th लाइन में ही लिखना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर अ फ्यू थिंग्स हियर. वन इज थर्ड पर्सन इन्विटेशन, पहली बात थर्ड पर्सन में लिखते हैं. सेकेंडली सेंटर अलाइंड, ठीक है, सब कुछ सेंटर में लिखते हैं. थर्ड बॉक्स में लिखते हैं. फोर्थ एवरी लाइन्स डिफरेंट, कोई फुल स्टॉप नहीं है कहीं. ओके, यू सी हियर नो फुल स्टॉप एनीवेयर, राइट? So you have to write according to that, children. Fine. So this is who is announcing where. अब ये important है, सबसे ज़्यादा important है. डे, डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू. जैसे नोटिस में लिखते थे ना हम लोग, डे, डेट, टाइम एंड वेन्यू. अगर आप किसी को इनवाइट करोगे, इफ़ यू आर इनवाइटिंग समबडी, तो वो कब आएंगे, कहाँ आएंगे, कैसे आएंगे, यू हैव टू टेल देम. नो, so this is for what, and as I told you, RSVP on the left hand side. RSVP यहाँ लिखते हैं, आप उसका नंबर और उसका फ़ोन नंबर और उसका नाम लिखते हैं जिसको आपने रिप्लाई करना है. RSVP to person you need to reply. समझ आया ना? So this is how we write it. So what is important in remembering card, formal card invitation, ठीक है? You have to write in third person. Everything should be center lined. It should be in a box in different lines. No full stop anywhere. You have to mention day, date, time, venue. Function कब है, क्या है, and what also. What is the function? What is the event? So you have to write the event. So you have to write event and okay, event. What is the event? What is the day of event? What is the date of event? What is the time of event? What is the venue? And you can write everything in different line. See, यहाँ पर कोई chief guest नहीं है, but it is a very good thing to include chief guest, children. Okay, this is a very very good habit. I'll tell you in the other one. Now this is birthday. I told you what was this. This was inauguration. Second type is birthday. Same pattern. RSVP, date, time, venue, किसका birthday है, क्या occasion है. Then marriage, wedding, wedding of their daughter. आपने इसको learn करना है बच्चे. You all have to just learn the entire thing. आपने सब कुछ learn कर लेना है कैसे लिखते हैं, ठीक है. Then annual function. This is very important. I am expecting कि इस साल यही आएगा एनुअल फंक्शन वाला. आई एम रियली एक्सपेक्टिंग. आपने इसको बहुत अच्छे से, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इसको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना है. ऑलमोस्ट लर्न करके रखना है. ऑलराइट, सो हु इनवाइट्स हियर? प्रिंसिपल, स्टाफ एंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ दिस स्कूल solicit the pleasure of your company. इसको लर्न करो. ऑन एनुअल फंक्शन एंड सी हियर चीफ गेस्ट आ गए, है ना. सो ही इज गोइंग टू बी द चीफ गेस्ट. देन RSVP किसको करते हैं? प्रिंसिपल को ही. ओके, द प्रिंसिपल इज गोइंग टू बी नोन what you are doing and you are coming or not. So this is very very important. Again, silver jubilee function, seminars, there are many I have written. ठीक है, बहुत सारे आपको examples दिए हैं, आपने इसी में से पढ़ने हैं. Now this was card. I am again repeating, this was card invitation. Card invitation, formal. Okay, now we are going to study invitations in the form of letters. Okay, formal invitation. So first is what? You are the director of Apex Orientations, a leading name in postal coaching. Okay, write letter to the principal of some, inviting names of 2 brilliant students from each institute to attend the counseling session free of cost. You will not be given in the ये चिल्ड्रन हेडिंग या टाइटल में नहीं लिखा होता है कि आपने लेटर लिखना है कि कार्ड लिखना है. जस्ट रिमेंबर, कार्ड लिखते हैं वेडिंग्स, बर्थडेज, इनॉग्रेशंस, एनुअल फंक्शंस. बाकी अगर ऐसा कुछ आता है, यू सी, you have to write a letter. It's written also, write letters to the principal here, है ना. So let's write card. Now what is Apex Orientation here? This is sender's address. So what do we write first? Like a letter. मैंने आपको सिखाया है ना लेटर लिखना, तो बिल्कुल वैसे ही. पहले sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, and then the subject. Okay, and after subject you are going to write your letter, very small letter, very small. Then name and salutation, name and designation you can write here and fill it. Okay, यहाँ पर. So subject, salutation here, this is salutation. जैसे आप लेटर्स लिखते हैं बिल्कुल वही फॉर्मेट, बस इसका जो ये बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर है ना, ये छोटी होती है. ओके, द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर इज स्मॉल बिकॉज यू हैव टू फिनिश इट ऑफ इन 50 वर्ड्स. चिल्ड्रन रिमेंबर, you have to finish it off in is small. Yeah, you have to finish it off in 50 words. All right, so we want your personal favor. You can everything is given in the question only. अगर नहीं पता चलता question से copy करो. Everything is there in the question. You just have to write 1 or 2 lines on your own and finish it off. Right, now let's do another one. You are the secretary of the Old Students Association, Mayo School, Ajmer, and write an invitation letter. So लिखा हुआ है इसमें invitation letters, right? So sender's address, then date has to be here. Sender's address, then date. मैंने आपको बताया इसमें बहुत ज़रूरी है लिखना date of writing. This is date of writing the letter, which is very important. आपने लिखना ही लिखना है. Okay, then salutation, subject, body, and then name and designation you can write here. Name and designation. जैसे हम लोग लेटर फॉर्मल लिखते हैं, जैसे हम लोग लेटर टू एडिटर लिखते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही ये लेटर्स लिखने हैं. See, all these examples are given. Good. Now we come to informal invitations. Informal invitations is also written in the form of letter. इसमें कोई कार्ड नहीं होता. Informal invitations, no cards, only letters. Right? So in only letters, we are going to write it in the form of informal ways. See, Rohit has got success in CBSE. He wants to celebrate his admission to Shivaji Medical College. Write a informal invitation. लिखा हुआ है question में, giving details of venue, time, date, and do not exceed this. Now, which address is this? 3347 Priya Vihar, New Delhi. Whose address is this? Whose address is this? This is sender's address. So this is sender's address, children. You write sender's address here. Okay. Then date. No receiver's address. See, no receiver's address. and then we move on to dear whosoever you are writing, your friend. And here see, now the difference between this and the other one was you can write I, you, me words in informal letters, invitations, sorry, in informal invitations. In formal invitations, again I am repeating, write in third person. Third person means yourself, myself, themselves, they, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस. आप अपने आप को भी ऐसे ही एड्रेस करते हैं थर्ड पर्सन में. आप अपने आप को नहीं कहते कि मैं, लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू से मिस्टर एंड मिसेस वर्मा वॉन्ट टू, right? But in informal letter you can write I, you, me. So this is very informally that I have scored this and this marks, I've got admission in this college, and I want to share my happy moments with you all, so you can come. Now what is important here is date, time, when you sub में बेटा बहुत important है, otherwise your guests will never be able to reach you anywhere. So it is always very important. आधा लेटर तो इसी में जाता है, डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू, इवेंट. ये लिखना ही लिखना है. आप किस लिए इनवाइट कर रहे हैं, वो आपका इवेंट कहाँ पर है, उसकी डेट क्या है, उसका टाइम क्या है, उसका वेन्यू कहाँ है, कहाँ पर होना है डिनर, एंड व्हाटएवर यू वांट, एंड देन प्लीज ज्वाइन यू. दिस कैन बी कमिंग इन द अदर लाइन ऑल्सो. जो फॉर्मल लेटर्स होता है, फॉर्मल लेटर्स को हम लोग एक ही पैसेज में लिखते हैं, वन पैराग्राफ ओनली. सी हियर ओनली वन पैराग्राफ, but in informal letter invitations you can change paragraph a little, that is not a problem. And then yours sincerely, your lovingly, whatever, and your name, salutation and your name. These are the other examples. See, what is this now? Question number 13. You are Ankit Verma. Your friend from Malaysia is staying in the hostel. Invite him to join the Diwali celebrations with you at your residence. So what is this? This is sender's address. Okay, this is going to be sender's address. Then date, no receiver's address. Do you see any receiver? No. Again, no receiver's address. Right, so no receiver's address. And then dear whosoever, you can write the name of the person you are inviting, and you know that Diwali is the festival of lights at my residence. अब इन्होंने date, time, venue नहीं लिखा है बेटा, ये गलत है, this is wrong, है ना? So you have to write what time, date, venue एंड इवेंट हमने लिख दिया दिवाली सेलिब्रेशन एट माई रेजिडेंस. अब इन्होंने रेजिडेंस लिख के इसलिए छोड़ दिया क्योंकि इन्होंने अपना एड्रेस दिया हुआ है, लेकिन यू कैन राइट योर डेट, टाइम, एटलीस्ट वेन्यू तो लिखना ही चाहिए, है ना? तो दिस वे दिस इज़ रॉन्ग, इसीलिए मैंने ये गलत लिखा है. आपको समझ आना चाहिए ये गलत क्यों है, क्योंकि इसमें टाइम, डेट, वेन्यू, इवेंट नहीं लिखा था. एंड देन योर नेम एंड एटसेट्रा. गॉट इट? सो दीज आर दी अदर एग्जाम्पल्स. आप ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ेंगे. Now I come to the other portion which is replies. अभी आपने क्या पढ़ा? How to write formal invitations in the form of card, how to write formal invitations in the form of letters, how to write informal invitations which is always in letters, उसमें कोई कार्ड नहीं होते हैं. अब हम लोग आते हैं रिप्लाइज में. अभी मैंने आपको बताया, again I am third time I am telling you that in foreign countries the concept is आप कार्ड लेके रख नहीं लेते हैं, आपको बताना पड़ता है whether you are coming or you are not coming, right? So these are the replies. How you write the replies? Replies की भी formal होता है और informal होता है. एक्सेप्ट करना है या डिक्लाइन करना है, इसका भी एक्सेप्ट करना है या डिक्लाइन करना है, एक सेट फॉर्मूला होता है, राइट? नाउ फॉर फॉर्मल, एक्सेप्टिंग. ओके, so children, this is the sample for formal replies and decline, like replies like declining and accepting. So how do we write? For example, Mr. and Mrs. Chawla have to accept the invitation to attend birthday of their son, right? So you are Manjeet Rathore and you have to invite. Everything else you are going to write on your own. So see here, it's not writing I and my husband thank you all. No, this is third person. So you address yourself as Mrs. and Mr. Manjeet Rathore thank Mr. and Mrs. Chawla जिन्होंने invitation दिया है on the occasion of their the 14th birthday of their son. अब उसमें इसमें भी आपने लिखना है, you have to write here also डेट, आप अगर रिप्लाई भी लिखते हैं ना तो उसमें भी डेट टाइम वेन्यू ज़रूर लिखना है. तो क्या ओकेजन भी लिखना है, डेट टाइम वेन्यू भी लिखना है, यू हैव टू राइट एवरीथिंग. तो किसके लिए इन्विटेशन था? 14th बर्थडे ऑफ देयर सन, ये इवेंट हो गया, आपका ओकेजन हो गया. एंड देन बर्थडे था ऑन मंडे, दिस इज डेट टाइम वेन्यू. ठीक है. And that they will be glad. They means like I am writing but I address myself as they. This is third person. This is what you write call writing in third person. Okay. And so best wishes. Now regretting, again same, thank for inviting. और सारा पूछ रही, दे यहाँ पर लिखा था ना, दे विल बी ग्लैड टू अटेंड द फंक्शन. यहाँ पर हमने सिर्फ लिखना दे रिग्रेट दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू ड्यू टू प्रायर. आपने ये लाइन लर्न कर लेनी है, बस ये लर्न कर लेना है. ओके. एंड देन बेस्ट विशेस. ये दीज आर अनदर एग्जाम्पल्स. आपने सिर्फ इसको लर्न कर लेना है. जैसे भी आपके फॉर्मल इन्विटेशंस होते हैं आपने उसको लर्न कर लेना है. नाउ वी कम टू informal invitations की replies. This is replies, formal replies to formal invitations. Now we are going to write replies to informal invitations. This children is the reply, it's on page number 19. Okay, remember this children is the reply to, okay children, as I told you this is page number 19. Okay, so reply to informal invitations. Informal. So you are Oshin, for example, and you've been invited by the principal of St. Joseph to act as one of the judges, but you're not able to accept. So write an informal reply. ये आपको question में लिखा हुआ मिलेगा. What you have to write, formal reply or informal reply. Okay. So this is declining. Informal reply to decline. How do we write? We write address here. Who is writing? See 12a, you are Oshin Malhotra of you this. So whose address is this? Whose address? Of the receiver. Okay, receiver's address, then date and whatever, and then you are replying that I feel greatly. Now see, it is not Mr. and Mrs. this, Mrs. and Mr. This is IUV, which is informal. In informal invitations or replies, you can write in first or second person also. I am repeating it. Okay. So I am greatly honored, but I am unable to accept due to previous engagement. And that's it. That's it. Okay. Here she is accepting. Say, I confirm my presence at the program and send my good wishes. Yours truly, you have to write there. You were not writing yours truly and everything, but in this you have to write yours truly. And this is how we sort of add invitations. This is another example, children. Okay, that you are this PC Malhotra Mehra, and you are an educationist. You have been invited to preside over a literary program. So you have to write an informal reply. याद रखो, बार बार I am repeating. This will be given in the question. You have to read it carefully. Okay. So whose address is this? This is, whose address is this? See, the address is not given in the question. So if it is not given in the question, you can simply write XYZ. You can simply write XYZ if the question address is not given. Okay, and then write date. You can write XYZ New Delhi and then write the date, or if it is given in the question, you can always write. And again, many thanks which for the competition, this here also, children, as I told you, whenever you are accepting or you are declining, you have to mention, mandatory mention the event. आपने पहले वाले रिप्लाईज में भी देखा कि हम लोगों ने इवेंट का नाम ज़रूर लिखा है ना, कि यू इन्वाइटेड मी ऑन दिस एंड दिस डेट फॉर योर स्कूल फॉर दिस फंक्शन बट आई एम अनएबल. इसमें भी ऐसे ही लिखा है. हियर अगेन सी यू इन्वाइटेड मी फॉर इंटरजोनल डेक्लेमेशन, अगस्त में हेल्ड होना था, इस डेट पे हेल्ड होना था, इस टाइम पे आपने मुझे इसके लिए इन्वाइट करा है. आई विल बी डिलाइटेड to attend, or I am not able to attend because of some prior engagement or appointment. With warm regards. And this is how we write invitations, accepting or declining. And these are the examples of the cards, etc. So what do we do? I'm revising it once again, children. Invitations are of two types, formal and informal. Let me give you another breakthrough and then we will come to. So let's revise it once again, children. Formal invitations. We have invitations. Invitations are of two types. Okay, formal and informal. In formal, we have two types of invitations. One is card, one is letter. And in informal, we only have letter type. The examples etc. are given. Alright. So, what are the features in formal? सबसे पहले you have to remember is third person, box, 50 words. Okay, and here you can write in first or second person also. Third person means they, ourselves, etc. In first and second person, I, you, we, etc. Okay. Second is again box, and third 50 words. Okay, and then we have replies. Replies to formal invitation and informal invitations. Replies can be accepting or declining. Here also accepting or declining. And in both we have, and both of them are in the form of letter, 50 words, and that's how we write invitations. I hope we are clear with it. Alright. So these are the examples. I've given you many examples. I've given you many things. So children, be sure that you are writing everything nicely. Again I am repeating, ये 4 marks का आना ही आना है. You have to have, या तो एक invitation लिखने के लिए आएगा या reply लिखने के लिए आएगा, पर 4 marks का आना ही आना है. It is of either replies, again 4 marks, और invitations. कोई भी invitation आता है 4 marks. Alright, and if you have any problems, children, you can always get back to me. Alright.